So here we are again. Circle time. Circle is really a circle here instead of a rectangle like it is at school. But today we're going to talk about numbers, specifically keeping track of how many of things we have. I'm going to scoot our circle out so we can do some playing with numbers. Now I know when we're at school and it's time to do something else, I'll usually give you a warning like, we have 5 more minutes and then we'll do something else. And I often say, everybody show me 5. 5 is such an easy number because we have our hands. And our hands have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. So when I say everybody show me 5, we usually just raise one hand. But then I make it a little trickier, right? I say, any other way to make 5? So some friends will go like this. There's 4 and 1 make 5. But we can also do 4 and 1 make 5 this way. And we can do 2 and 3 make 5. Or 3 and 2 make 5. And that's what's so cool about numbers. So if we get that number 5, I'm going to write it here. Straight across the top, turn the corner, and then curvy back around. Trying to find out how many of things. Ooh, I got a lot of these. Let's see if I can find 5 of these markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5. And again, we still have 5, right? But I have 1 and 4 more, and that makes 5. Or I can do this. Now I have 2 and 3 more. I still have 5, but I put them in 2 separate things, and then we can add them together and have it. Oh, I'm going to scoot this one over. Now we have 3 and 2 make 5. Now we have 4 and 1 make 5. Kind of the same as 1 and 4, 4 and 1. And if we have, I got these other markers over here. So we have 5 here. We have 6. We have 7. So if I have 7 and I take 2 away, I still have 5. Or if I have 6 and I take 1 away. So sometimes you can build a number by adding things together. And sometimes you can build a number by taking some things away. And I thought it'd be fun to just build some numbers. So I'm going to say goodbye, 5, and let's pick another number. I got another piece here. I'm going to do one of my favorite numbers, snowman number. Okay, so here I'm going to make my snowman. Should we give him a hat? Nice little top hat. What else should we give him? Some eyes, dupe. His carrot nose, his arms, okay, and his buttons. All right, that's our number 8. So let's count out 8. We can count anything. I have, ooh, don't tell my doggy. I have biscuits, dog biscuits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have 8, and I can do that with my fingers too. I can do that with my fingers like this. 4 and 4 make 8. We can count by 2s to get to 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now 2 and 6 also make 8. It's a little hard to do with your fingers unless you have 6 fingers in one hand, but I can do it with my dog biscuits. 2, 4, 6, and 2 more make 8. So I still have 8. I haven't added any more. I've just rearranged them into 2 plus 6. Okay? Yoop. Now what do I have? 3 and 5 make 8. Now what do I have? 4 and 4 make 8. 5 and 3 make 8. 6, that's hard to do. 6 and 2 make 8. How many now? 7 and 1 make 8. And if we wanted to do some of those takeaway, that fancy name for that is subtraction. I have more biscuits here. Here's our 8. Okay. Wonder how many I have all together here. I know I have 8 here. 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12. I'm trying to get to 8. I have to take these 4 away. So 12, and I take away 4. I get my 8. I'm going to take 1. Now I have 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 take away how many? 1, 2, 3. And I make 8 that way. So it's very cool ways to make the same number. There's something else I wanted to show, which is sometimes when we are playing with trains on the rug, and we have a lot of friends playing, and we have a lot of trains, but some friends have too many trains. So we have to figure out how to make it fair to everybody to have the same amount of trains. So I've got all these dog biscuits. Let's pretend these are dogs, okay? And they all want the same amount of dog biscuits, okay? So I'm going to have 4 friends. And these are, oh, we can pretend the dog biscuits are cookies because we like cookies, right? Okay. So we'll take a look at our pile of dog biscuits or cookies and say, do you think there's enough for all of our friends to have 2 cookies? And we can make a guess and say, yeah, I think so. So we can try that out. I'll give 2 cookies to this friend, 2 cookies to this friend, 2 cookies to this friend, and 2 cookies to this friend. Okay? Oh, we still have some cookies left over. Do you think there's enough for every friend to have another cookie? What do you think? Let's try it. 1 cookie here, 1 cookie here, 1 cookie here, and 1 cookie here. Does everybody have the same number of cookies? Yeah, I think so. What we just did, the fancy name for that is division. So we took a whole and divided it and separated it into equal parts. Let's count how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 cookies and 4 friends means that each friend gets 3 cookies. So you can have lots of fun playing with numbers and find some things you can move around while you play. Whether it's dog biscuits or markers, stones, or my favorite, buttons. I have my button box out again. So I hope that you can find something to count, to play around with those numbers, to see different ways to make a certain number, because numbers are everywhere. And if you look at just about anything that you find, look, I found a chocolate bar on this desk. And if you look, I can put my magnifier here. Take a look. There's a big number. That's the number 72. 7 full rows and 2 more. But if we pick up just about anything, oh, there's a number. So I'd like you to take a look around your house and see, oh, look at that. There's a big number, 200. And just go around, see what you can find around your house, and play around with different ways to make the same number. Have fun with numbers. Bye-bye.